Ever wondered which vegetables promise a bountiful home harvest? We've got you covered. Today, we'll delve into the world of home gardening, specifically focusing on the top 5 vegetables perfect for raised bed cultivation. Get ready as we unveil the top 5 raised bed vegetables for your home garden. Starting our countdown at number 5, we have the versatile and easy-to-grow spinach. This leafy green is not only packed with nutrients, but also thrives in raised beds, making it a perfect choice for your home garden. Spinach, a nutritious addition to your garden and your meals. At number 4, a vegetable that's all about the crunch, radishes. These vibrant veggies sprout up quickly, making them a satisfying choice for impatient gardeners. Plus, their peppery flavor adds a zing to salads and stir-fries. Radishes, a fast and rewarding crop for your garden. Coming in at number 3, we have a garden favorite, tomatoes. These vibrant fruits are a popular pick due to their versatility in the kitchen and their impressive yield. From salads to sauces, tomatoes bring color and flavor to your plate. Tomatoes, a staple in every home garden. At number 2, a vegetable that loves raised beds, carrots. These orange beauties thrive in raised beds due to the loose, deep soil. This environment allows them to grow long and straight without obstruction. Carrots, a root vegetable that loves a good raised bed. And finally, at number 1, we have the king of the vegetable garden, zucchini. This versatile veggie is a prolific producer, offering bountiful harvests all season long. It's also a culinary superstar, gracing everything from salads to desserts. Zucchini, the undisputed champion of the home garden. There you have it, the top 5 vegetables for a bountiful home harvest. From the hearty tomatoes, versatile peppers, nutritious spinach, crunchy carrots to the ever-reliable lettuce, each brings a unique flavor to your table and nutrients to your diet. Remember, home gardening isn't just about the harvest. It's a rewarding journey of growth, patience, and joy. Don't forget to give a thumbs up if you found this video helpful, and hit that subscribe button for more gardening tips and tricks. Happy gardening!